REPL specialises in the design, manufacture of metal and non-metal expansion joints and other static equipment to meet global requirements for refineries, petrochemical, fertiliser, oil and gas, LNG, PTA, polypropylene and other industrial plants. REPL occupies a large manufacturing facility of 14,000 square metres near Ahmedabad, India, strategically located near the seaport and international airport. It has 2 large bays segregated for stainless steel and carbon steel fabrication. The factory is equipped with EOT cranes, advanced machines for both general and purpose-designed jobs, as well as a state-of-the-art longitudinal seam welding machine from Jetline, USA. Our factory is equipped with hydroforming and punch forming machines that can manufacture up to 6 metres in diameter and up to 4 millimetres in thickness. REPL can also supply thick-walled expansion joints for heat exchangers, dog bone expansion joints connecting turbines to condensers. Additionally, we can also manufacture rectangular expansion joints with single or double mitre corners, camera corners and rounded corners with both ferritic and austenitic stainless steel. We have strong experience in manufacturing expansion joints out of austenitic stainless steel, nickel cobalt alloys, Hastelloy, titanium and monel. At REPL, all welding processes are available such as GTAW, GMAW, SMAW for longitudinal and circumferential weld and SAW for both internal and external welds up to 65mm thickness. REPL has its own machine shop, bending and rolling facilities, C-frame press, shot blasting and painting facility. Expansion joints are designed to the latest software to EJMA10 assisted by AutoCAD, stress and FEA analysis for its hardware design. The company has associates to help further in areas of design verification and root cause analysis failures, especially for critical applications. Our strong expertise is also in the design of refinery expansion joints in the areas of FCCU, RFCC and clamshells. We provide plant survey for refineries and other critical plants. Also, we have full access to supplying Reactor Internal such as support grids, Scallops, feed diffuser, liquid distributor trays and vanes. REPL Factory has adopted quality management system to ISO 9001-2015, Environmental Management System 14001-2015 and OHSAS 18001-2017, together with established SOPs for incoming material, in-process and finished goods inspection, traceability of material, document control and record maintenance. REPL Factory is ASME-U, N and R stamped approved. Within our group we have a lab to ISO 17025-2005, certified for both mechanical and chemical testing, equipped with the following testing facilities: PMI tester from Nitten and Bruker, USA, spectrometer from Spectromax, Germany, ferritoscope from Helmut Fischer, Germany, portable hardness tester and fixed rockwool hardness tester, metallurgical microscope from Olympus, Japan, universal testing machine for tensile testing, muffle furnace up to 1100 degrees Celsius for coupon testing, batch type heat treatment furnace for stress relieving, PWHT normalising and tempering, real-time radiography, digitised radiography. Our quality control staff are certified to ANST Level 2. REPL has established WPS and PQR for various metallurgies, both to ASME and AS standards. With strong infrastructure in design, manufacturing, QA, and with an international and local sales network of agents, we are confident to serve you well. At REPL, we provide engineering solutions. Please contact us for your future inquiries for metal and non-metal expansion joints, thick wall expansion joints, dog bone expansion joints, static equipment such as strainers, dampers and reactor internals. We will be happy to look after you.